Hey, what's up, you guys? This is James, Real Nester, at Real Nesters. Y'all already know. The Thomas Channel, we back again for another unboxing and another review. This is a continuation. We had a video on our channel for a humidifier like a year or two ago, one of our most popular videos. Check it out here.
Back, ladies and gentlemen, it's your favorite Real Nester, Crystal. Yes, I know I'm everybody's favorite. Aqua Oasis.
That video, everybody liked comments. So what we did, we went out and we got that humidifier, but we got it on steroids. We found another humidifier that's just loaded. So we're gonna unbox this thing and show you everything that comes with it. And I've also got some extras. Best grandpa ever. Got my grandpa knife. Let's open this baby up. Look, notice what you guys, what I always do. This is the sharp side. I actually use the back side of it. Boom. And then we just come right here. I use the sharp side on that. And then we open this. Boom. Best grandpa ever. Ooh, they packed this real nice. Let's bring this out. We got all the good stuff. And here is the main event. That's right, you guys. We've got the Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier. Let's get it out of here. Ooh, yeah, there we go. That's right, you guys. This thing, we looked at it and we love it. So we bought this, the Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier, comfort relief, cough and suggestion. And the thing that really sold us on this thing is you can put two different type of vapors in this thing. So it's not only a regular humidifier, but you can also put the Vicks Vapo-Pads in it, and you can put Vapo-Steam in it. So let's open this baby up, unbox it. This thing is 24 hours. Let me get it up right for you guys. This thing is amazing, and it's made by Vicks. You know, Vicks is top of the line, top dog. So let's open this baby up. You could do a cool mist, a warm mist, filter-free, room-safe, and cleanability. Ooh, look what they give you. Look what they give you. Inside, they give you one Vapo-Pad. Right there. Actually, we got more upstairs, so we got extra Vapo-Pads. Here's the instructions. Let's get the main top off. Let's take this baby out. There we go. Ooh, yeah. Put this on the side for you guys. And here is the main event. Do they have it taped up? Oh, they got it taped up, you guys. Hold on one second. They got this baby taped up. Where's my grandpa knife at? I need it again. Now, we are ready. There it is, you guys. Woo! I love this thing, boy. This thing is lovely. The Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier. And look, deep reservoir goes all the way down. And look, I actually got something because a lot of you, this is how you take it off. A lot of you were asking me before, you know, on the old humidifier, you see this area down in here on the old one was always getting, dirty. Was always getting the water build up. So we've got a way to fix that. This area doesn't come off, I think, does it? Oh yes, it does. So look, the bottom here, you just unscrew the bottom and you fill the reservoir up. Now look what I did, you guys. I ran across this. These right here are humidifier cleaning fish. Kills 99% of the odor causing bacteria. keeps your humidifier clean. So remember that before, the other one, we couldn't get inside that area to clean it because this was sealed off. It was just a little opening up top. But this one, you can open up the whole thing. And what we're going to do is we're going to drop one of these fishes in here. So once you put the water in, and close that up, that little fish is going to keep that area down here at the bottom clean. Unlike we couldn't get to it on the other one. So here's the inside of the machine. Let's sit there on the side. It says warning before unlocking, let unit cool heating. And you got the different locks right there. Now, let me show you the amazing part of this thing. Got different controls for regular, rain. Now here, right here, on this side, basically you lift this up. And here, you can pull in your Vapo-Steam. So right here, you can use any kind you want. Vicks has one, but you want to get a vaporizing steam liquid, any type, and that goes into there. And then right here, you open this up, and this is where you put the little pad that comes with it. The little Vapo-Steam pad, you'll sit that there. So once you sit that there, you close that up. And then you'll put your other liquid right there. This is the main ant. It's a heated medicine cup. You see the little cup right here? If you can see that, the cup right here, it heats up. And you can put your vaporizer steam liquid in there, or you can actually put essential oils inside the cup and it will heat up. So you need that added inhalant there that you need to make sure you get yourself back together, back on your feet. So I love that, the medicine cup and the Vapo pad right there. You bring your reservoir over here, and this screws off like so. That comes off, and you want to fill this up with cool water. So we put this here. There's my hot, and there's my cold. So we gotta mix it up. So not cold water, not hot water. You want to mix it with cool water. So we're gonna fill this up. I'm gonna fill it up to probably right in this area there, so you can see. Doesn't take too long to fill up. It's real quick. So we're gonna stop it about right there. Bring that over here. As you can see, that's full. Next thing I'm gonna do is, remember with our other humidifier, people will always complain about the reservoir, about the inside of the reservoir getting, the water stains on it. So what I did, I went out, I bought this. The Protec humidifier cleaning fish kills 95% of odor and bacteria for water sitting in there. Works in most humidifiers. Basically you just drop this in there, just drop it in the tank like so. And then it does what it do. It does the work for you. So let's just open this up. Let's make sure we don't say drop one in. Yep, fill the tank with fresh water. Boom. So all you do is open this up. Your little fishes. And I will have a link to that in the description. Has the little minerals that work here. You just drop that in the tank. And we're gonna seal this baby up. Tighten it down, and as you can see, once you do that, it has a nice handle here. Look at the little fish in there. Y'all see the fish? Look at the fish. So that's going to help keep the base down there clean while in the water. So now we have our water in there. Here's the grip that sits right down here like so. And you can see it's starting to get some water in the reservoir. After that, you can use it just as a regular water humidifier, or if you want to take it up to crank it up to next levels, you get your Vicks Vapo-Pad. And once you get your Vicks Vapo-Pad, then you'll put that right in there. Your Vicks Vapo-Pad sits right in the tray, like so. So as you can see, it's sitting right in the tray. And then you just close that up. Next thing we're going to do is at the top here. At the top, we're going to put our steam. At the top, we're going to put our vaporizing steam liquid, and that's going to go right in the cup here. Let me try to get you guys a good angle on that. Like I say, Vicks has a brand, or you can buy, you know, any steam liquid, or you can actually use essential oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pour this as a tablespoon. So I'm just going to pour a little bit right there. Give me a little bit more. Ooh, yeah, you know I got to get extras. So we place that there. Next thing, you plug it up into a regular, you know, electrical outlet. And then you have two settings. You have that's off, and then you have low, and then you have high. One raindrop is low, 3 raindrops is high. You turn it on, and now it's on low, and now it's going to do its thing, and then you'll start to see the mist come up. That's the low. So we got a Vapo-Pad here. We got a steam inhalant here, and like I say, you can put essential oils in there, and we got the fish inside to help keep it clean. So we got triple protection here. And to try to maintain a relative humidity between 40 to 60%. That's what you want to do. You can breathe better and sleep more comfortably between 40 and 60% humidity. So we turn this up even higher. We got it going on, and then that's a high mode right there. As you can see, the light is on. Right there, you got a green light that lights up. If we're in a real bright room for the video, but if you're in the dark room, you'll see this glow up there. And so now we've got that on, and we're rocking there. And so that's basically how you set the whole thing up. You got your fish, you got everything in there. Yes, sir. This is the Vicks Warm Mist Humidifier. Definitely highly rated. As you know, we're always going to have a link to this in the description. Make sure you definitely pick that up. Vicks, the top dogs in the line of this type of things. Humidifier, and I love this. Like I said, I love this. Big giant container. And look, as you see right there, there's the medicine cup, carrying case, translucent Vapo-Pads, power switch, soft glow nightlight. This also has a nightlight. This glows in the dark. I love the fact that we put water in like that instead of the old one we had. We still actually use that. The old one you just put it in at the top, but also you can carry this by this. So once you lock that in, you can carry this to go fill it up just by the handle. Hey, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you watch the next video, and the next video will show we setting it up and we got it all fired up. See you on the next one.